Your refrigerator is supposed to make some noise. A gentle hum, a soft click when the compressor starts. But if your fridge starts making a strange buzzing, loud clicking, crackling, or burning type sound, that's not normal. And in some cases, it can be a real fire risk. In this video, I'll show you which refrigerator sounds are dangerous, why they happen, and what you should do immediately to protect your home and your family. This is not guesswork. This is based on real repair experience. Normal versus dangerous sounds. Let's be clear first. These sounds are usually normal, low humming, a single click when starting or stopping, water dripping during defrost, ice maker filling with water. But these sounds are not normal. Rapid clicking every few seconds, loud buzzing or vibrating, crackling or sizzling sounds, a clicking sound followed by silence, any sound combined with a burning smell. If you hear these, pay attention. Dangerous sound number 1, rapid clicking. If your fridge is making click, click, click every few seconds, this usually means a compressor is trying to start and failing. Why this is dangerous? The start relay or overload protector is overheating. Electrical current spikes repeatedly. Plastic parts can melt. Wiring can burn. This is one of the most common causes of fridge electrical fires. Backhand index pointing right, immediate action. If clicking continues for more than a few minutes, unplug the fridge. Do not wait and see. Dangerous sound number 2, loud buzzing or vibration. A loud buzzing sound can mean condenser fan motor is failing. Compressor is overheating. Loose electrical connections. When motors struggle, they draw more current. More current means more heat. Heat plus dust plus old wiring equals fire risk, especially in fridges placed near walls, in closed cabinets, in hot kitchens. Dangerous sound number 3, crackling or sizzling. This sound is never normal. Crackling or sizzling usually means electrical arcing, damaged insulation, loose terminal connections. You may also notice a faint burning smell, flickering lights nearby, heat at the back of the fridge. This is urgent. Backhand index pointing right. Unplug immediately and do not plug it back in. Dangerous sound number 4, click then silence. If you hear click, compressor tries to start, then complete silence, and this repeats. It means compressor is locked. Start relay is overheating. Overload is cutting power to prevent fire. Ironically, this protection is a warning sign. The system is already overheating. The most ignored fire risk, dust. Here's something many people don't realize. A perfectly working fridge can still be a fire risk because of dust buildup, dust around, condenser coils, fan motors, electrical terminals. Dust traps heat. Clean the back of your fridge every 6 to 12 months. This simple step prevents many fires. When should you call a technician? Call a professional immediately if the fridge trips your breaker, you smell burning plastic, the plug or socket feels hot, clicking or buzzing doesn't stop. Do not replace random parts blindly. Use extension cords. Ignore repeated noises. Final warning, 9:45 to 10:30. A refrigerator runs 24 hours a day. Even small electrical faults become dangerous over time. If your fridge is talking to you with strange sounds, listen. It could save your appliance, your home, your life. If this video helped you, share it with someone who has an old fridge. Drop a comment and tell me. Backhand index pointing right. What sound is your fridge making? Subscribe for real appliance warnings, not marketing lies. Stay safe. See you in the next video.